preparing for Meghalaya TET 2026, then this video is your complete maths marathon revision. We will solve 100 most important question or MCQ with clear and detailed explanation, which will cover content and pedagogy according to Syllabus 2026. Let's begin. Section 1, Number System. Question number 1 to 20 will cover number system. What is the smallest natural number? First, we'll know natural number are counting number used in daily life, that is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. They start from 1, not 0, so the smallest natural number is 1. What is even number? Even number is a number which we can divide by 2. So according to the option, A is 13, B 15, C 18 and D 21. So these three cannot be divided by 2. So option C is the perfect answer for even number. 9 can be divided 18 can be divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Find SCF of 12 and 16, or the highest common factor. Factor of 12 is factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factor of 16. 16 can be divided by 2, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So the common factor among the two is 4. 1, 2, 4. So the highest one is the common factor of 16 and 12, that is 4. LCM of 3 and 5. The lowest common multiple. So factor of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15. So the first common multiple is 15. 15 is the common multiple among the two. Which is a prime number? Prime number is the number of two factors which can be divided by 1 and itself. So here 19 can be divided only by 1 and 19. So 19 is the prime number. Value of 9 square. So we know 9 square is equal to 81. That is 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 144 divided by 12. So 144 divided by 12 will get 12. Place value of 6 in 461. So 1 is in 10 place, 6 is in 1 is in 1 place, 6 is in 10 place, 4 in 100 place. So 6 place value is on 10, that is 60. Successor of 99. Successor of 99, it means next number which we have to add 1. 99 plus 1 we get 100. So successor of 99 is 100. Predecessor of 100, which means previous number, we have to we have to minus or subtract by 1. 100 minus 1 is called 99. Section 2, fraction and decimal, question number 21 to 40. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Option A, 25, 5, 6, 1 by 6 and 3 by 5. Step number 1, we will find LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Convert the fraction. 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 6. We'll add up 6 and 2 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. Convert 0.5 into fraction. 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2 or half. 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10. Simplify. So divide by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Find 3 by 4 of 100. 3 by 4 into 100 is equal to 3 into 100 is equal to 300 divided by 4, which is equal to 75. What is 25% in fraction? 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100. 25 divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. 25 question 0.75 is equal to convert into fraction. So 0.5 is equal to 75 divided by 100, which is equal to 3 by 4. Section 3 measurement 0.4, question number 41 to 60. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Everyone knows 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 42. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? So 1000 grams. What is the profit formula? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If selling price is less than cost price, we get profit. Find 25% of 80. 25% is equal to 1 by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Section 4, Geometry. Question number 61 to 80. Sum of angle of triangle. By adding the three angles of a triangle, we get 180. All the three angles always add to 180. Area of square, side into side. If side is equal to 5, area is equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth at all sides. Section 5, Data Handling plus Pedagogy, question number 81 to 100. What is average of 2, 3, or 2, 4, 6? 2, 4, 6, we get 12. We divide by 3 as it has 3 numbers. 12 divided by 3, we get 4. What is data? Data is a collection of information, that is, collection of numbers, facts collected for study. Best method to teach maths. Answer: activity-based learning. Students learn better by doing or by action. MTET focus on child-centered learning. Who gave cognitive development theory? Answer: Piaget. Cognitive development theory focus on thinking development of children. What is evaluation? Evaluation is the measuring learning. It helps teacher to understand student progress. Best teacher is one who talk more, inspire student, punish, or give notes. Best teacher is the one who inspires students. A good teacher motivate, explain clearly and build confidence in the students. Congratulations, we have completed the 100 MCQ. Comment, comment in the comment section out of 100 how much you score. Thank you. Next video will be on EVS marathon. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the channel.